What's up YouTube, this your man, Apple OS X. I have a great video for you all tonight. Tonight in this short video, I will be showing you all some cool tips and tricks that you can do here on your iPad Pro that you probably already know about or you probably did not know about. Anyway, let's jump right into it. The first tip I'm going to show you all is how you can get some cool icons inside your Safari taskbar when you're inside Safari on your iPad. Let's start by opening up the Safari here. Now, I'm inside Safari, and as you see here, I'm on Apple's website. With that being said, if you look here across the top, you'll notice that I have the Apple logo when I'm on that specific website across the taskbar. Same thing for Google, and of course, American Airlines. I'm about to show you all how you can get those cool icons on your iPad as well. You want to start by going inside, of course, settings. Once you have done so, you want to go down to where it says Safari here. Once you're inside Safari, you want to go under where it says General. And if you see here, right here, it says Show Icons and Tabs. If you, of course, unclick that, you'll notice that they will disappear. If you go back and you turn it back on, once you go back inside Safari, you'll notice that you then have your icons back. That's the first tip. That's the first tip right there. I love this hand. I don't know why. I love it. I actually got this hand from IKEA. It was $13. I love it. I'll put a link down below in the description somewhere across here where you can go and get this same hand. Let's get into the next tip, guys. Now, with this next tip I'm about to show you, I love this tip, actually. I think it's cool. I think it's a cool feature that they have added. I'm gonna show you how you can manage your tabs inside Safari. Let's jump right inside Safari here. Now, if you take your finger, any finger, it doesn't matter, and if you just slightly press down here, you'll notice that when you select your tabs icon here up in the top right-hand corner, you will be presented with, of course, close all 3 tabs, close this tab, and again, yours may say close all 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, however many tabs you have open, it doesn't matter. In this case, I am going to select open split view here, and you'll notice when you have split view open, oh, this is so cool. Let's just say we was on IMDb here. We're gonna go to IMDb, and I'm just showing you just for this video here. This is pretty cool. So you'll notice, let's just say if you was on a website or something like that and you wanted to play a video or something or look at something on that page, in most cases, I want to play this video, but if I play this video, it's going to take up the whole screen and I would have to wait to view what's on this page. Of course, everything else in the background. With that being said, I don't want that to happen, so I'm just going to select this, hold it, drag it over and drop it. When you drag and drop on the left-hand side, you can then play that video and still browse the page that you're on with that video that you have just selected to watch. I think that's so cool. And you can do that with anything. We're gonna pick a different website here. We're gonna just hold that down. And we're gonna do, let's just say, merge all tabs together to go back. We're gonna go back to, of course, Best Buy here. We're gonna go to Best Buy. I'm gonna go back here. Now we're gonna do the open split view again. And in this case, we're gonna go to another website. Let's see here. We're gonna go to Xfinity. Go to my Xfinity page. And let's just say we wanted to view this television here. This is a 4K smart TV. You can take it and drag it and drop it over here. And it will then open up. And you can look at those TVs, whatever it is you wanna look at. And of course, vice versa, it doesn't matter. You can take it and you can drag it and drop it on any side, and it will then open up that page of that selected item that you have just selected. So I think that's cool. I like how you can do that on your iPad. We're gonna go right into the next tip on the iPad here. We're gonna go into the next. Now, I've known about this next tip for quite some time, and I said to myself, let me just add this in the video for the people that didn't know about it. So let's get right into it. We're gonna open up Netflix here. I love Netflix. And if you watch Netflix, you probably do too. we're gonna just select the movie here. You know what? We're gonna select Incredibles 2. I love this, it's so funny. Now you will notice once you have your movie or TV show playing inside Netflix like so, you can just tap on the screen anywhere, and of course, tap there, swipe up, go back to your website where you was viewing your article at or browsing the web, and Netflix will be here, just floating around. Size it, position it wherever you like, left, top left, right side, it doesn't matter. We're gonna just shrink this down a little bit and put that in the lower left hand corner. And we're gonna go back to another website here. Let's just say we're gonna go to YouTube. And of course, while you're on YouTube here, watching a video, your Netflix will then freeze in the corner. You can always pause that and go back to playing Netflix like so. So it's pretty much like you're watching 2 movies at once on your iPad. You can watch one, you can pause it, and then you can go back to the other, press play, watch a little bit of that while that video in the background is paused. So it's like you're bouncing back and forth. So let's just say if you was watching a movie and of course you was looking at some notes or something, you was in the process of making a new video, maybe going over a video that you made and you wanted to edit, you can look at the 2 and just go back and forth. Those are the tips that I wanted to show you all that you can do here on your iPad Pro here. And of course, this is the 12.9 inch. This is your man, iApple OS X. I want to thank you guys for watching this short video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up if you like this video. Give me the thumbs up. And just subscribe to my channel here. Well, let me bend that looks stupid. There we go. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you give me that thumbs up, because see what happens is when you give me that thumbs up and you guys subscribe, I'll be making more videos for you all. And of course, doing more giveaways. Please rate, comment, and subscribe and like. I'll holler at you guys in the next video. Deuces.